back to a video. We're gonna be unboxing this strange box. I don't know what it's inside, and it's for me, I guess. Wow, what is that? I can't tell. It's two Labubus. The Monsters X Hello Kitty and Friends, and you can get Pom Pom Purin, My Melody, Pachaco, Hello Kitty, Cinnamon Roll, Kuromi, or The Secret. Guys, today we're gonna open these one, and I personally want Pom Pom Purin, Cinnamon Roll, and or The Secret. What do you want, Noah? I want this one. You want Hello Kitty? Yeah. What else do you want? And I want to know and this one, My Melody. So he wants Hello Kitty, Cinnamon Roll, and My Melody.
Well, I don't know what to do.
Let's open!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, I'm gonna get Pacheco actually.
You have Pacheco. Oh, oopsie. Ah, dang it. Oh, it's like a twisty. It's twisty.
I know.
Okay, there we go. I got it. I got Kuromi! She's soft.
I don't know what I get.
Yeah.
I got Pacheco.
Oh, Pacheco's cute. Now are your cards in the box?
Oh.
See, it has two bows. I like it.
Is it? This is mine.
Even though I didn't get what I want, I still appreciate it.
I want this one.
Yeah, you wanted that one.